Hello everyone. I'm going to be giving you a brief presentation on Oracle Application Express, otherwise known as APEX. Oracle Application Express enables you to design, develop, and deploy beautiful, responsive, database-driven applications using only your web browser. It is a rapid application development tool developed by and for Oracle databases. It is strictly browser-based, one application, many users. Built declaratively, meaning it comes with a plethora of widgets and functions that plug into the system to do what you want. It basically fills the void between the less secure and web-unfriendly access or personal databases and the more complicated Java programming language. It contains all the capabilities of the Oracle database and is a standard component of the Oracle database. No cost of ownership and fully supported. APEX can take the place of spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are great tools and have their place, however they are not databases. Inherently, if used in this manner, they come with a great deal of problems as seen from the slide. Multiple sources of truth. One spreadsheet can morph into many spreadsheets, displaying different information. Data from different sources in spreadsheets must be manually merged, causing errors. No controls over who has access to the data. It is all or nothing, and security is suspect. It is very prone to data issues. Most of the time, the data input can be anything, and in addition, no auditing can be achieved. The data can't be normalized, meaning any type of data has only one place where it is kept. Spreadsheets cannot accomplish this. APEX can take the place of less secure and personal databases. They are not enterprise ready. Microsoft Access, as seen in this example, is platform dependent and thus cannot be shared. It is web unfriendly. It was designed for personal use and not a distributed system. Security is woefully inadequate for most research areas. Since it is a file, it is vulnerable to viruses and hacks and can be easily copied. Backups can be inconsistent. Suffers from the silo effect in that many databases can be scattered across multiple locations, resulting in, among other issues, an insufficient use of IT resources. APEX fulfills most, if not all, business requirements. It is enterprise-level, centrally managed database. Formal and scheduled backups occur. The database is secure and is stored in a secure research environment. Fully scalable, it uses the full capabilities of any Oracle database. From this we can gain more data visibility and use. Integrate, if needed, across databases. Incorporate additional reporting as needs arise. Increase productivity. Develop a single source of truth without compromise. And most importantly, meet control and compliance requirements. Following will be a demonstration of some of the capabilities. If needed, a username-password combination can be developed to access an application. This can be tied into an internal Oracle table or the use of LDAP if one is available. The following slides depict a single, simple membership application that was requested, developed, and deployed not too long ago. Upon entering the application, the first page displayed is the membership table. All pertinent information about a member is displayed in an Excel-like manner. For this example, the table holds 860 members. Clicking on any column heading will sort by that column. We can search for a member by using the search box, and we can display more than 15 members at a time using the drop-down list that is highlighted. We can also page through the list using the control seen at the bottom right of the screen. All the information is in one place, and depending what the requirements are, many people can use this at a given time. Let's look at creating a new member. We click on the Create button, now highlighted. Clicking on the Create button brings us to the new member form. As you can see, there is much more information about a member that can be added than what was initially displayed on the previous slide. A form is composed of data fields that can be controlled in many ways in order to reduce errors. We can add a list box to an element to only list data that must be used. Constrain the length and type of data that can be entered. Use of widgets, such as a date widget, to enter a date if needed. Make a data element mandatory. Mask a data element. As an example, a phone number can be in a typical phone number format. Many other options can be done, all controlled by widgets or PL SQL code or both. Let's see about editing some member information. Clicking on the Cancel button brings us back to the initial page. In order to edit a member, we click on the pencil pad icon next to the member's name. This will bring up a form with all the information about the member in one simple place. We could add new information or modify old information depending on the need. As mentioned before, all data element options can be used, including drop-down lists for data entry, to avoid errors and misspellings. Reports can also be developed in Apex. They are Excel-like but can be manipulated within the system. This can dramatically enhance the capabilities end users have. Just a few things to look at right now. Clicking on the Action button will bring up a set of widgets that can be used to manipulate the report. We can select what columns to display, filter the data, format the data, save the report for later use, or download the report into a CSV for more robust analysis. Clicking on the paper sheet icon next to the name will open a window to display the information about the member in a column-oriented way. As mentioned before, Apex is declaratively built. That comes with many widgets that can be used right out of the box. These listed are a few of the examples. We have seen reports and forms, but one can also develop charts, templates, calendars, use different tools for navigation through the application, validate data, compute data, and branch to different parts of the application depending on the processes that we are chosen. As mentioned before, authentication and authorization can be built into the system for security. Even web and email services are available to build. So as we have seen, Apex is secure. It uses Oracle. For programmers, it is jQuery based. It's enterprise level, it's versatile, and it's very well supported. Thank you.